Hello everybody, namaste and welcome to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So these are few previous videos that I have uploaded and few are very requested videos. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, do take a moment to check out all these videos, and you can definitely go ahead in video section and get all the updated about my channel. I'm looking forward for your support, and you can definitely go ahead and support me by subscribing to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you are new to my channel, do take a moment to check out my previous videos just to give you a glimpse of what my channel is all about. But if you have been following me for a little while, thank you so much for being there with me all these times. And as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about how to apply the eyeliner properly. I got a request from one of the subscribers in the previous videos and how to apply the eyeliner, and that too very appropriately. So I think the entire tutorial will be on that. Now the liner that I will be using is the sketch liner, but I think whether you use kajal or the sketch liner, the procedure will remain the same. There are few pros and cons that I will definitely be showing you, and also the video is going to be about how to apply proper winged liner. So stay tuned if you really wanted to know how to apply that. I think within a very short span of time, then keep on watching this video till the end. And before we get into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out as well. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I have done nothing on my face. So if you really wanted to do anything, then do it. If you have anything like eye makeup or something, then definitely go ahead with that. I will be doing today a little eye makeup because I'm wearing this quirky top. Just in case you wanted to know where I got this top, I got this top from Ajio. I will make a separate haul of what all the purchases is from Ajio. I've got a really quirky tops. Their sale is also going on, so I will make a separate video on that, so stay tuned for that. And I will do a little eye makeup as I've already mentioned. And before I do, I always prep up my skin. I will prep up my skin with this Infallible MAC primer. So this is the primer that I usually use and I love this. This is a matte primer, by the way, guys. So definitely if you are looking for some matte primer, then I think this is something which you can go for, and it is really nice. So I will be applying that very quickly. And also, since I'm doing the eye makeups, I am gonna prep up my eyelids as well, so that I always do. By the way, if you have not checked out my previous video, do check that out. I have done a video on the affordable makeup which is under 300. I think the eyeshadow palettes and highlighter palettes under 300, I think that would be something which is requested, and I hope that will be little helpful to you. I'm done with my primer, and the next thing which I will be doing is definitely the foundation. I will let it a little set down, and I'm using this Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So you can, and by the way, this Fit Me foundation comes in a lot of shades. So you can definitely choose your shade and then use it. They come in a lot of shades. So I am just gonna apply this foundation and dab it all around. I will be doing a very less makeup today because I know we are not going out anywhere. You can use brush or sponge or anything, but I usually do it when I'm not doing too much of pro makeup. I usually do it with my fingertips, and I always use these two fingertips because they are super light on face, and at the same time it doesn't picks up lot of the product in your hand, and indeed it will apply it directly. So this is basically for the beginners. If you are a beginner, you do not need to invest too much on brushes and all of that unless you are doing the eye makeup and all of that. So I usually don't use brushes for the day-to-day foundation, to be very honest. So I am done with my foundation, And the next thing definitely I will be doing is to set up my entire makeup with the help of a compact or the powder, or anything that you can loose powder for that matter as well. So I'm using this Naleo 2-in-1 prime and fine. So this is a beautiful, I've spoken in length about what's an affordable about this particular compact, so you can definitely go ahead and check this out. Very soon I will be having review videos of few of the products that's my October favorites, so stay tuned for that as well. Now for foundation, if you really want your foundation to be little glowy, then you can definitely use this High Beam. This is also one of the affordable products in makeup. So this is a little illuminator that you can use with the help of foundation. Since I have said that I will not be doing too much of illuminating makeup sort of things, so I have not actually mixed it. So I am gonna set this real quick with the help of this particular compact. Always do not forget your neck part. So I'm done. So I am ready for the eye makeup. That's all I do. And the next thing which I will be doing is definitely taking my favorite palette. So I've spoken in length about this Leon Beauty palette. This is 35 shade palette, eyeshadow palette, and this is my real love when it comes to eyeshadow palette. You have got these many of the colors, by the way. So quickly I will be taking this yellow one, because I think the yellow is my favorite one, because I'm wearing yellow top, so definitely the eye makeup will be yellow one. Quickly I'll pick up all the brushes that I'm going to use. So basically I will be using these 3 brushes. You can see how it is, and I will cover up my base with a nude color, which is this one. And let's just do this. I'm super excited. I'm doing this yellow thing for the first time. So obviously first I'll be putting up the base with the same color. Okay. In the other eye also I will be put. Now choosing of the makeup brush is very important, because the makeup brush should not eat lot of your product, but instead should transfer a lot of product. So I'm just gonna apply, really blend it quick. Okay, so I'm done with the transition shade. I just did this. Next definitely I will be taking the yellow color. Now I'm gonna take this particular yellow color, and then I hope it is visible. This is the yellow color which I will be taking, because I'm wearing the yellow top. So quickly I will be taking the finger, because that will do my job real quick, and I'm just gonna place it. Sometimes when the brushes take a lot of time, you can definitely use your this finger or this finger, these 2 fingers. So I'm gonna use those 2 fingers and really blend this. I hope I make sense when I say not always brushes are important for, you know, all kind of makeup, unless and until you know how it is to be done, honestly. So I'll do the same with the other eye, and I'll see you.